Hello beautiful people and welcome back to Veggieonpennies. If you're new here, welcome. As you can tell by the title, today I'm going to do a what I eat in a day, a very realistic one, because at first I wanted to make it all cute and Pinterest and fancy, and I was going to make like waffles for breakfast and take really pretty pictures, and then I realized, well, I have a class in like 10 minutes, so not gonna happen. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go down the more realistic route. I'm really gonna show you what I eat in a day as a college student, someone who's always late for things, always procrastinating. This is a very realistic view of what I actually eat from day to day. So most of the days I will actually have some type of oatmeal for breakfast, but today I actually ran out of oatmeal a couple of days ago and I haven't gone back out to get it, so I'm just gonna go ahead and make something super quick for breakfast. So I'm just gonna make some like peanut butter toast on like cinnamon and raisin toast, because those are my favorite. So yeah, pretty quick breakfast, and that's pretty much how the whole day is gonna go. It's gonna be pretty quick meals on the run, on the fly. So hopefully you guys enjoy the video and stick around. And as always, all the meals are gonna be under $2, so very cheap, very quick, and very easy to do. I'll put all the descriptions down below for recipes or anything like that. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure that you like and subscribe. And without further ado, let's get on with that. What I ate today. So let's go. It's a breakfast time, and like I said, I'm running late, so I have a class starting in literally 5 minutes, and it takes me like 15 minutes to walk to that class, so I already know I'm gonna be late. So I'm just gonna go ahead and make myself some really wholesome peanut butter on cinnamon raisin toast. This is my absolute favorite type of bread. So I'm just gonna make some quick peanut butter, and I'm not even gonna toast it because you guys don't have a toaster. I'm too broke for a toaster, so I'm just gonna put it right on here. I don't think you need a tutorial for this, but because I think it's pretty easy. So I'm just gonna put this, take some crunchy. I like the crunchy kind, by the way, in case you were wondering. Sometimes I like the smooth, but yeah, crunchy is really good. So I'm just gonna slather it on, and that's what I'm gonna eat before I head out. So even if I'm running, late, I always like to make sure I eat something on the go. So this is what I'm gonna be munching on for this morning. So this is what I'm gonna be eating, and also bring probably a fruit with me, or also applesauce, because I have this little applesauce like at individual sizes, portions, and I like to bring some of those with me to class with my little reusable spoon, and that way I can eat it while in class, and it's very, it's not too messy and anything like that. So I'll probably bring that to class. It was to crash with my dumb friends on the weekends, instead of watching a movie, but you wanted me to be. Each morning I like to take a B12 and also a probiotic, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. And that is good. So yeah, my bag is ready. I have all my things. I have my little peanut butter sandwich to go. I'm not gonna make coffee this morning. Sometimes I make coffee if I'm feeling tired. I don't like to just make it a habit of drinking it for no reason. I'll usually only drink it if I'm generally feeling tired. I didn't have enough sleep, and I'll have to go out, and I'm really tired. I need like a little pick-me-up or something sugary, because I add cream in it, which has sugar in it. So sometimes I'll just do that, but today I generally had enough of sleep. That's why I'm actually running late, because I stayed in bed for way too long. So I don't actually need coffee this morning, so I won't make it. And yeah, that's it. I'm pretty much ready to go, so I'll go ahead and run to class, and I'll update you once I eat something else. So see you guys later. Okay with me. Okay, and that's okay with me. think we're all in focus. Let me just make sure. I'm back from my class from this morning. So I ended up only being like 10 minutes late so for me that's pretty good. It is now 12:39. Hopefully you can see that. 12:40, just got back. My next class is like at 1:30, and it takes me about 15 minutes to walk to my class because it's like the same building from like this morning. It's like 15 minutes away from my dorm, so I really only have about 45 minutes. We're like 40 at this point to like make my lunch. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna make some quick pasta with like a tomato, like a cherry tomato sauce. So yesterday I went to the dollar store. I picked up a pack of pasta because I was absolutely running out of pasta. I had no more pasta left, and that is just unacceptable. So I went and got this pack. This was 75 cents. I'm gonna be using, I might cook the whole thing, I don't know, but really realistically I'm only gonna be eating like a third of this for lunch. So really small. So obviously that's gonna end up being really cheap of a portion. Then I just have this leftover of a pack of cherry tomato. Sorry, these are grape tomatoes actually. I always get them confused. So I have like half a pack of grape tomatoes from these I picked up last Friday. So about half a pack of it, and this was $1.25 on sale at my local grocery store. So about half of it. So again, this whole thing is gonna be like, you know, worth about 75 cents worth. So I'm gonna cook these now, like reduce them. I like to like just cook them in some olive oil, like have them like just pop, and then just add some little salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and then some Italian spices. So really basic. And then just have these. I think I'm not even gonna add like any lentils or tofu. Usually I would add like cubed tofu in there, just, you know, to like bulk it up. But I'm trying to like do like a little like mock meat free or like tofu free. I might add some lentils. I'll check and see if I still have lentils. I'll go downstairs, whip that up really quickly. Should be ready in less than 20 minutes, and then I'll just eat it and get on with the rest of my day. So let's go do that. And you wanted me to be what you need instead of being me. Oh, and that's how I knew it. I guess I never loved you like I love me. I guess I never loved you, and that's okay with me. So I'm back from the kitchen. I cooked my meal, and right now it is 1:15. As you can kind of see, not really because it's way too bright. And my class starts in 15 minutes, and it takes me 15 minutes to walk there. So I'm gonna be late yet again. But I want to make sure I eat. So as you can see, it took like 20 minutes to do, and that was kind of long because the pasta takes a while. The water takes a while to boil for the pasta. But that's okay. So I'm just gonna eat this as quick as I can. I eat in a day, you guys. This is very realistic, like no bullshit, no like super Pinteresty foods, which is something I love to do. Like I love taking pictures of food and pretty pictures of food. But honestly, you guys, today's kind of an all of the place day. So sriracha. Yeah, and I'm going to enjoy that with some water. Oh, my battery's about to die. I'm going to enjoy that with some water because I'm really thirsty. But yeah, that's pretty much all I'm going to be eating. I haven't eaten my snacks from this morning. My applesauce and my orange is still in my backpack, so I might eat that in my class too. This afternoon, I don't know yet, but right now all I need to do is finish this really quickly and head to my class. So that's what I'll do. Be in the moment. So I did my best to make you feel wanted. But what about what I want? What about what I want? And what I wanted was to crash with my dumb friends on the weekend instead of watching a movie. But you wanted me to be what you need instead of being me. Oh, I'm back from my class. It is 3:48. I'm gonna start making dinner. Like I said, I know it's a tad early, but I just eat whenever I'm hungry. I'm kind of feeling hungry, and by the time I finish making this, I'm gonna be really hungry. So perfect timing. I have my leftovers from lunch. I'm probably gonna munch on that as well for dinner. But just to make it a little bit different and interesting, I'm gonna add in those sweet potatoes. I've had them in my cupboards for like almost 2 weeks now, so they're getting pretty, they're starting to like sprout a little bit on the top here, so I want to get rid of them. So I'm gonna peel them, cut them up, dice them up, put them on my baking tray, and just chuck them in the oven for like 425. I like 425 for like 30 minutes. I'm just gonna put a little bit olive oil, salt, and pepper like I usually do. So very simple. And I'm gonna eat that with some of the leftovers from lunch. So it's gonna be kind of the same, but also a little bit different. I like adding in some starch whenever I have leftovers because I always have potatoes laying around, either sweet potatoes or white potatoes. So perfect opportunity to use these before they go bad, because sweet potatoes can be a tiny bit expensive, so I don't want to waste them. So I'm gonna prepare that, and yeah, that's pretty much what I'm going to do. And that's okay with me. I guess I never loved you like I love me. I guess I never loved you, and that's okay with me. Okay with me. Okay. Sometimes I start to wonder if I should. I'm just gonna go downstairs, put this in the oven for, like I said, 425 for like 30 minutes, and then I'll just eat this with my leftovers. So let's go do that. Okay, so it's me again for dinner time. As you can tell by the lighting, it's gotten very dark outside. It is winter here in Canada and Montreal, so it gets dark at around 4:30. So right now I'm running on pretty much any like barely any light, so I apologize if the footage is very dark and not very clear and all of that, but I'm gonna make this really quick. So I just came back from baking my sweet potatoes, so as you can see, they're nice and brown. So for dinner, I'm gonna have the same thing I have for lunch, plus a side of that baked sweet potato. It's so good. I love eating baked sweet potato. I literally just eat it by itself, like on the meal, on the dish, or sometimes I just eat it as like on its own with like mayo or like ketchup or something. So that's what I'm gonna have for dinner, and that is gonna be pretty much it for the end of the day. It is only like 4:30. No, by this time I think it's almost 5. Let me just check the time. Almost 5. So I'm gonna eat this. I might like snack on some other stuff, like some chips or something, or like some fruits, because I do have some snacks lying around, because it's only 5, so I might get hungry a little bit later, or I have some of this rest of the sweet potatoes. But that's pretty much it for the day. I don't want to film any more like really bad lit footage. I'm just gonna end it here. I hope you guys enjoy what I eat in a day. It was very realistic, it was very unplanned, it was very on the fly, so you really got to see what I actually eat on a daily basis. As you can see, I eat pretty cheaply. Everything I ate was you know, very on the cheap side. Usually I would eat oatmeal for breakfast, which is a little bit more filling than just bread, but like I said, I ran out of oatmeal. So that's what I ate today. If you did like this video, make sure that you like, and you can also subscribe to my channel for more content. I have tons of ideas coming, so make sure that you subscribe and stick around. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.